Welcome back to the sunny Valley of Ferns. Meet Dash, the speediest triceratops in the world, and his best friend Pip, who loves to take things nice and slow. Today, our duo is headed for a brand new adventure, but Dash is about to find out that sometimes the best things in life are the ones you don't zoom past. Are you ready? Then let's go!
Pip, you are being a slow pokesaurus again. We're gonna miss the sunset at the peak.
I'm trying, Dash. My legs are just a little heavy today. Maybe we can just watch the stars from here?
No, you're just being noisy and slow.
Noisy and slow. Noisy and slow. Slow. Slow.
Who said that? Hey, be quiet.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Quiet. Quiet.
It sounds mean. Does that mean I was being mean, Pip?
Cave is just a mirror, Dash. When you shout at me, the air feels heavy, just like the cave sounds.
Oopsie toes. The cave is grumpy because I'm grumpy. I'm sorry, Pip. You are my best friend.
Best friend. Best friend. Friend. Friend.
Wow, kind words sound way prettier. Let's go watch the stars at whatever speed you like, Pip.
And so, our friends learned a very big lesson today. Dash found out that while his legs are fast, his heart needs to be patient. Remember, little dinos, being fast is fun, but being kind is the greatest adventure of all. See you next time in the Valley of Ferns.